Hello, co-creators. Lynette Wortham here. I am in the city that never sleeps, New York City. I am out here for the weekend, and I just got back to the hotel after seeing an amazing magic show, the Jamie Allen Amaze, and it was led by the magician Harry DeCruz. It was phenomenal. I will not spoil anything, but I just want to mention how significant synchronicities have been in my life. I love self-love, self-care. And as I get into my meditations, I realize that I have images or recollections. I recall things from in my childhood that was really significant. For example, the never-ending story with the dragon and the boy. So I've been thinking about that for the past week and a half. Why was that part of the magic show as well? Now, Harry did say that they changed the themes throughout their shows, so I would not have never known this was going to appear in the magic show. How fantastic was that? Like the universe, come on, all the time. I say this all the time. People who knows me, they like, yeah, I say it happens because it's me. Yeah. But I just felt this significance of self-love and appreciation from the universe. And it reminded me of a course that I created, the Create, Share, Inspire. And it's on the concept of self-love. And I thought about you guys and I was like, you know what? It's a pre-recording. So what I would like to do is offer that to you guys for free using the code MUSIC. Music is my love. Hello, co-creators. Lynette here in the future. I wanted to make this quick video to explain what's inside the Create, Share, Inspire workshop. In the workshop, you'll receive a downloadable workbook. So I highly recommend that you download the workbook prior to attending the workshop. A sacred geometry activation. What is a sacred geometry activation, you ask? I'm glad you did. It is a spiritual guided meditation using universal geometric shapes and patterns. It is to align your energy, raise consciousness, and trigger spiritual awakening, like personal development. A guided meditation on self-love and self-worth, and you will have lifetime access to this workshop. As long as you keep the link to the workshop, you will always have it, so you can watch it over as many times as you need. Fast forward, rewind, pause it. So yeah, don't forget to use the code MUSIC. All right, love you guys. Bye. Love language of mine. And yeah, it's going to be in the link below. If you're interested in joining the free pre-recording of Create, Share, Inspire on self-love, please do. It'll be in the link below. Talk to you guys later. Love you. Bye.